All right, so this here is the closet we're gonna be opening up. I'm gonna tear these walls down. Hey guys, welcome back to the Peaceful Grind. Today I am headed to a customer's house, actually my sister-in-law, and I'm gonna be doing some work on her closets in her master bedroom. So I just pulled up to the job site. I'm gonna get some tools, get inside, and we're gonna start ripping stuff out. I'm gonna tear these walls down and I'm gonna open it up this whole side, make it wider. There it is. All right, I got all the trim popped off. Let's see if we can get this door frame out. Alright, I got the door frame out, pulled off the trim. Next thing I need to do is make myself some even marks or some level marks right here. And we're gonna cut this open. And we're gonna take these two walls, sheetrock walls, out. Alright, let's start popping some sheetrock off. Oh, my eyes are getting blasted with sheetrock. And I'm sure you're thinking, you should wear some safety glasses. Why in the world would I do that when I have natural safety glasses right here, built in?
We got that side ripped out. Okay, I got my switch loose. Okay. Now let's pull this inside piece out.
this closet opened up. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this cleaned up and get ready to move over to this one. I'm also opening this whole right side of this closet. All right, I've got this side completely done. Got the floor taken up, patched those areas where the old wall existed. So I'll be ready to come in here tomorrow and start adding my sheetrock all the way around, getting that finished out. Floor it out, trim it out, and she'll be good to go. I did go ahead and start ripping this side out. I got the trim pulled out around this doorway here. As you can see, we're gonna open this right side up. I busted a hole in the wall to see where this stud was because that's where I want to stop. So now I can pull a measurement and know exactly where to cut my sheetrock. Shaka bra. Gonna have to get fancy here and figure out how to patch this tile in. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. I'm gonna have to probably pull some of this corner out. Patch it in. So, I was getting everything cleaned up and I realized that I made a boo-boo. No! I didn't realize it, but apparently I chipped this tile. So, I had gotten all this pulled out, but I'm going to go ahead and... I just went ahead and popped up this threshold, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this one more tile out here. Mistakes happen. Just finished getting everything cleaned up for the day. And our demo day is complete. Got all my tile out. Ready to put that back in. I'm going to trim out this doorway with wood. So we are ready to move on to the next part of this project. Very successful day. We are wrapped up for the day. I've got a list of everything I need to get to continue with this project. So I will definitely post a final product. I'll probably make a short later on and put it on my YouTube and possibly my Instagram. Show you guys what this project looks like once it's complete. So if you enjoyed this video, you guys like, subscribe, share, and follow for more. Y'all have a great day. Peace.